To remove the cleaning brush from the Braun PowerCase, one technique is to place your thumb on the bristles and to move your thumb down and up away from the bristles while simultaneously taking your index finger and placing it at the top of the brush and moving down towards the bristles and up in one fluid motion. So thumb, down, up, index finger, down, up. And this motion tends to give the best leverage for getting the brush out. When you first receive the Braun PowerCase, this brush is in there extremely tight, and some people have left the brush in there because they had no way to remove it. If you feel it's very tight, if you have a wooden dowel, I recommend putting it into the corner like so, and using the case as a fulcrum, pop the brush out like so. Now, there are some nodules holding the brush in place. There's one there, and there's one there. You could put some grease on them temporarily to loosen them up, but I found that if you take this the cleaning brush, in and out several times, it will loosen up. And if you use this two-finger technique, thumb on the bristles going slightly up and down, and index finger going down towards the bristles and up in a fluid motion, the brush seems to come out very well each time. So again, to remove the cleaning brush from the Braun PowerCase, thumb on the bristles, pushing away from the bristles and slightly down, index finger on the top of the brush, pushing towards the bristles and up in a fluid motion, and that will typically get your cleaning brush out of the Braun case. Thank you.